Vitamin C Serum to your skincare routine. Vitamin C Serum benefits. It's safe for most skin types. It's hydrating. It's brightening. It helps reduce redness and even out your skin tone. It helps fade hyperpigmentation. It reduces the appearance of under-eye circles. It promotes collagen production. It may help prevent skin sagging. It protects against sun damage. It may help soothe sunburns. And it generally helps boost wound healing. Erumdipity, age-refining vitamin C facial serum. Description: protect and prevent. Stabilized vitamin C. Brightens and lightens skin. Reduces appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and age spots. Promotes biosynthesis of collagen. Hydrates. Quick absorbing. pH balanced. Suitable for all skin types. Cruelty-free. Suggested use. Use AM and PM. After cleansing, gently apply a thin layer to face and neck. Other ingredients: purified water, hydrolyzed jojoba esters, sodium hyaluronate, acacia senegal, xanthan gum, aminopropyl ascorbyl phosphate, Lardium vulgar seed extract, phenoxyethanol, ethyl hexylglycerin, sodium phytate, alcohol, propanediol, rosacanina fruit extract, Ascophyllum nodosum extract, Calendula officinalis flower extract, sodium hydroxide. Warnings: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Store in a cool, dry place. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.